Should I inform my insurance company of a collision? Attorney John Rosenberg explains. You should inform your insurance company after a collision. Your policy is a contract that typically requires you to report a claim with your insurance company within a certain amount of time. If you do not comply with your insurance policy requirements, you could jeopardize your coverage. So it is safest to let your insurance carrier know about a claim or a potential claim. It is also important to inform your insurance company of a collision so that they can investigate the claim, if necessary, to protect you from any claim against you by someone else. Your insurance coverage has two important elements that you want to protect. The first is to defend you in case someone else claims you were at fault. The second is to cover your losses and damages that you may incur in a collision. These coverages may include damages to your car, rental coverage, coverage for your medical bills under your medical payments coverage, and coverage for your other losses if the other party has no or very little insurance. If you need to make an uninsured motorist claim because you were hit by an uninsured motorist, most policies require that you notify the insurance company within 24 hours. As a rule of thumb, if there's any recovery that you can possibly get under your policy, you want to report the accident to your insurance company as soon as possible. With regard to the other party's insurance company, the sooner you communicate with them, let them know who you are, that you're involved in a collision with their insured, and that you have a claim to make, the better. If you're looking for compensation from the other insurance company, you can't rely on their insured to contact them. Some people don't want to report accidents to their insurance company, so you should contact them or have your lawyer communicate with them on your behalf. At the law offices of John P. Rosenberg, we work hard to ensure that in the wake of your accident, you're financially taken care of and able to move forward to a brighter future.